Welcome to Briscoe Galaxy. You're hanging out with your man T-Max, and in this video I would be showing you the best cryptocurrency platform to earn passive income. So let's jump in and get started. So the platform is called Betfury. I'm going to drop a link below for you to sign up on Betfury if you're not already on Betfury. I've earned so much here and I think I should let it out, so I'm going to show you how it actually works. So for me, I consider this to be the best cryptocurrency platform to earn passive income online, for real. So let's jump. Let me show you something. If you check here, you see my transaction history, and let me just take this back. Come here to withdrawals. You can see withdrawals I've made so far. You can see BFG. You can see some withdrawals I've made, and this is BNB, and this is another BFG, and this is USDT. This is Revcoin. This is Tron. This is BFG again, and this is Tron. I've made a couple of withdrawals here. So basically how I end this, and if you check the value of just the BFGs I withdrew here, this is like $100. So where you actually can swap this cryptocurrency is on BuySwap. So let me just check BuySwap. I'll also drop the link for you to sign up on BuySwap, and we're on BuySwap right now. So you can see here, BuySwap, you can actually swap and easily swap any of your cryptocurrency using BuySwap. You see here, if I put let's say I use USDT and BFG. So if I put the 4,000 BFG coins I withdrew, let's see how much it was worth. Let's see 4,000 BFG. Let's see how much it was. So you can see it's worth like $125, and I've been making withdrawals. You can see the list goes on and on here, and I've been earning passive income from this platform. I've withdrawn a lot of my BFG because I actually wanted to sell them, but I'm going to buy BFG again. And let's say I'm planning to buy like 100,000 BFG. Let's see how much that would cost me to buy. Okay, 100,000 BFG is going to cost me around $3,000. Why am I trying to buy BFG and send back to Betfury? Let me show you why I'm trying to buy BFG and send back to Betfury. It's because of their staking here. All right, if you check out their staking platform here, with me holding BFG on the platform here, I can actually keep earning this every month. I would earn over 500 and almost 600 Tron every month. I would earn this $54 every month. I will earn 0.001 BTC every month. I will also earn 0.01 and 0.1 Ethereum, and also earn 0.1 BNB every month. I'll keep earning all these cryptocurrencies every single month for just holding 100,000 BFG. If I was able to purchase 1 million BFG, this is how much I'll be earning monthly, earning over $500 every month for just holding 1 million BFG tokens. Okay, every month I'll be earning 5,900 TRX. I'll be earning 0.01 Bitcoin, earning 0.1 BNB, sorry, 0.1 Ethereum and 1 BNB every month. Guys, this is so amazing. So you can see why I'm trying to buy BFG token and send back to Betfury. So what interests me here is the fact that even if I don't play their games, I will show you a strategy I actually use to play games and multiply cryptocurrencies I send here to Betfury. Most times I just send cryptocurrencies here to Betfury, and what I do is I come to their all games here. Let me just use this. I've withdrawn most of my cryptocurrency. I'll just use this USDT to show an example. You can see I have 0.007. It's nothing, but I'm just going to use this to show you a strategy on how I'm multiplying my cryptocurrencies here. So once I come here to the dice game, I come over here and I will just set this to something around multiplier. I used to make the multiplier around 5.4 thereabout, and leave it to this, and I'll just come down here and set this, bring it down. You need to check out how much you have in your account and just make it a little portion. Let's just say around 5%, or let's just say around you can stake. Your bet amount could just be around maybe 5% or 2 to 3% of how much you hold in that cryptocurrency. So for this, let's just say 10% of this will be around 77,000, will be around 7,000 something. So I'm just going to just stake less than 10%. I'm going to stake sorry guys, the dog outside is just barking for whatever reason. So I'm going to just make this 0.000, let's just say 0 like this. I'll just use this as my stake example, and I'll come here to unloss. That means if I make a loss, and it should increase it by 20 or 30%. It should increase my bet amount by 20 or 30%. If you're using the unloss settings, you need to ensure that you need to ensure you bring this your bet amount to a very, you bring the bet amount to be just a fragment of how much you hold in that cryptocurrency. So now let me just play. Now you can see I have, check here before I start playing, I have like 77,402, like thereabout. So let's just check, let's just play and see how it goes. Just watch and let's see how it multiplies my cryptocurrency. Can you see 82,000, 87,000, consider 92,000. When you're playing, you can actually come down here to your bets and actually see your losses and your wins. You can see how they are coming in. You can see I've had over 100,000. So basically, this is how I use the dice game to actually multiply cryptocurrencies I send to the platform. And the good thing is, as long as you keep playing with the other cryptocurrencies on the platform, you can see all the cryptocurrencies allowed on the platform. So any of these cryptocurrencies you have or you hold somewhere, you can actually send them to Betfury and multiply them and earn the BFG token. So when you earn the BFG token, all you need is just hold the BFG token in your wallet, in your account here on Betfury, and you keep earning these dividends for holding. You keep earning dividends for holding those cryptocurrency, for holding the BFG token. Okay, so they also have something here I usually don't explore that much, but a lot of people are exploring this future here, and it's their Freebie Box and their free box for satoshis here. You can keep withdrawing this every 20 minutes. Every 20 minutes you can keep withdrawing this to your wallet, and they have other available boxes, but you need to pay for these boxes. You can see here a 7 days period, a 30 days period. For the 30 days you have 15% on your you acquiring these boxes. You can see other boxes here. I can assure you guys, this I've used other cryptocurrencies platform, and for me this is the best cryptocurrency platform to earn your passive income and just keep making your money. Okay, so they also have a referral plan here you can actually explore, and it's really amazing. It's something you can explore and all that. So so that's it for now. And you can see I've gone to stage 2. The more you keep playing, you keep going to other stages. If you check here, you will see how much I've wagered and played. I've wagered over $4,800. Okay, my playing games here, over $4,800. I've moved to rank 2, and if you check it out, other ranks, you can view other ranks. The thing is, you have cashbacks for every rank. You know, for me being on this rank, I'm getting cashbacks of I think I'm getting 2% cashbacks on all the games I play. Make sure you activate, once you sign up your account, once you create your account on Betfury, make sure you activate your 2FA. It's very important, because I had an issue sometimes back. I found out my account almost got hacked, so it's very important you activate your 2FA and your two-factor authentication. It's important you activate that. So I just hope this video is helpful, and this could help you earn passive income with Betfury. And so have a great time, and see you in the next video. Bye.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful and you would love other exciting videos on tech, growing your business and making more money online, kindly subscribe to our channel at Breed School and click the bell notification icon to stay updated on other upcoming videos we create. You can also connect with us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn at Breed School or visit us at breedschool.com. Have a great time and keep soaring. Bye.